In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game 7 Days to Die on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game on Steam before we will continue to another website to download it. So go to the Steam website. After that, quickly search up the game 7 Days to Die and don't waste too much time on it. Select the game. After that, scroll a little bit down and then you will see that the price on Steam is €43.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we will search for the same game, 7 Days to Die. Now after that, we will select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And once you have done that, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country. So make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Now once you have found a version which can be activated and is available for the PC, then select the game. And now you have opened the game page, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €7.25 compared to the Steam price of €43.99. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.